I started watching RuPaul's Drag Race secretly back in Serbia, and the thing that really got me when is the saying like, if you can't love yourself, how the hell you're gonna love somebody else?
I get a lot of my inspiration from the TV shows that I watch, things that I read. My mom inspires me. She said this one thing to me. She said, Keith, you have to be as the duck coming out of the water. Let it roll off your back.
When I started, I didn't have somebody like me to look up to see like, hey, it's possible to do that because I see that guy is doing that. So whenever I hear people or even talk to friends or colleagues and see that they look up to me in terms of how confident I'm walking through the spaces in the organization, how well I feel in any space that I am, I feel that is inspiring as well, because I know that it's not only about me. See?